check our hives today and do some preventive maintenance. It's time to check for varroa mites. We'll also look for hive beetles. You can see the activity on the front of this yellow and white hive. The bees have been hanging around the outside, so there's not quite as much to forage right now. The speculation is this is washboarding, so some of the foragers are just hanging around, kind of licking the outside of the box, and um, they've even been bearding a little bit off the bottom during the hotter times in an effort to cool off this. And to give you an idea, this was a package of bees started 9 weeks ago. This was a nuke started 5 weeks ago, and this box was also a nuke started 5 weeks ago. And you can just see the relative activity and volume of bees there. And we're going to do the sugar shake test to check for varroa mites as we go. We have fed these bees sugar water to give them a head start. Yeah, and they've done a really good job of filling all the way up to the top. So these are getting probably pretty close to being honey bound. So these are doing a good job of putting in honey in the top. They've drawn out the comb. We've got a lot of bees pulled up.
Very heavy.
You just hold it over here. Okay, so you can see got about 3 tablespoons of bees in here. I'll mix them up really good. And the good news is this is looking really clean.
Don't see anything.
There's gonna be some angry bees. Humidity's up, so the sugar's clumping just a little bit, but this is the back side of wrapping paper that has 1-inch squares on it, so we'd be able to get an idea of a count. And I'm pretty happy with that result. We're going to let these bees calm down while we do the rest of the hive. Okay, I think that's good. As with beekeeping goes, we thought our preventative maintenance was happening today, but it's pretty obvious that we need to put another super on here. We're seeing really good honey production up here, and you can see we've got some capped brood, and you can see larvae in there and some uncapped. So this has been a really productive colony, and you can see drone cell on that side.